Door.
Hey, Elated Flo family, just a quick video here in regards to the package that you received from us. My apologies for the gloves. I was getting ready to spray one of these boxes here. But there have been some questions in regards to how to assemble this box. So just a really quick video for assembly. Okay, so when you receive it, of course, after you take it out of the packaging that it was shipped in, you're going to get a box. It's going to have our label on it. That lets you know that it came from us. Okay, so when you unbox this, basically you're going to have a few different contents here. You're going to have a separate package for your cards. You're going to have a hardware package. You're going to have a card from us. So we're an American business. We're in America. Okay, and because we're in America, basically there's contact information here on the back. So because we have contact information here on the back, you can utilize that to contact us at any time. And then there should be another bag that has the contents. And so this bag has your contents. Ideally, when I get ready to put this together, I'll leave these items in here and I will unbox this. And as you can see, I'm doing this right from the kitchen table, basically. So you're going to have 6 panels in here. These panels are the side panels. Okay, you're going to have your front, and the way that you know that your front and back look very similar. The way that you know that it's the front is because it's going to have 2 holes drilled in it. The back is not going to have 2 holes drilled in it. Of course, your top is going to have the area for your envelopes, and the solid piece is your bottom. So ideally what I do is I'll come, if I'm not going to paint this, so what we're doing is we're going for a rustic look here. So let's just say we're going to put this together for an event. Basically we would just come in here and we would slide these panels in. So once you slide those panels in, that is your back. Then in turn, what would happen is you would put in your sides. So you just come and put your sides in. I don't put the panels actually in yet, okay? So I don't put the additional ones in yet. Ideally what's going to happen is you're going to want to put your hardware together on first for these. So you can sort of put this together because you know that you have your back and your sides. For your front and for your lid, basically what's going to happen is you're going to have a package with hardware. And what I do as well is, because we have some small contents in here, I'll just utilize the same box that we're sending it in. Okay, so your rubber bands are going to hold the sides, your lock, your keys, and your screws. Now your screws are relatively small. Okay, because your screws are relatively small, that's another reason why I use the box. And you have a couple of different options here. If you wear glasses, some customers like to use the eyeglass screwdriver. If you don't, most screwdrivers come with multiple attachments. So this is the attachment that you want to use. It's a really fine head there. So if you utilize this one, this screw actually fits right on. And a majority of these are magnetic. So once you get that screw on there, it's relatively easy. Okay, so at this point in time, what I would do is I would take the hardware, and of course for the top flap, you're going to screw this in together here over the holes. And for the front, basically what you're going to utilize is this latch piece here, and you're going to screw this into the holes here, and your lock is going to go in accordingly. Okay, once you have those put together, then basically you would come back here to the actual box and just push these panels in. So once you push these panels in, you take one of these nice rubber bands and you pop it over the side. This is going to give you your stability. Of course, you're going to do that for each tab. So there's tabs on the bottom as well. With the tabs on the bottom as well, you put these on, and that secures this back end. So in essence, what we're doing is we're giving this some security here when you go and put your box together. And then of course, once you have your lid and everything done, then you would assemble your lid on top. To make it fairly easy, if you need to sort of adjust this to get the lid in, I'll take the top rubber band off in order to slide that right in on the other side, and then you can just replace the rubber band on the side. With the finished product, if you've purchased one of our products, then you're going to have one of two. So this is our gray flower pattern or rose pattern, and so this is how it looks fully assembled, and of course with the latch and everything on the front. And of course with this rustic look, it's going to be the rustic color. And to slide this into your view here, this is how the Rustic looks. Now, a benefit of us not putting the hardware on, because some customers have said, hey, why did you not put the hardware on? So there's a couple of different reasons why we chose to do that for your satisfaction. One was we didn't want it damaged in transit to where it's getting loose within the holes and then it doesn't have a secure fit for your event. The other reason is if you wanted to paint this, you would in essence need to take it off and put it back on. So for the customers that want to paint this, it actually makes it really easy to take it out the box and paint it accordingly and then assemble it together. So just a quick video there. I know I didn't go through and put the whole box together for you, but just to give you a general idea, because there has been a little bit of confusion. Also just know that within the packaging, we're working with the manufacturer to put some assembly instructions in there. We are emailing assembly instructions out, but if for any reason we don't have your email communication, or if you've opted out of email communication, then unfortunately you're not going to receive those. But more to come. We do have some more exciting colors coming for you guys, so stay tuned. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and for any feedback that you have for us, definitely email us. We have somebody standing by and we'll take care of it immediately, whatever your question, concern is. I know that we've had customers reach out in regards to coloring and how we color our boxes as well. And once again, that's admin@elatedflo.com. Have a great day, you guys.